I spent the last hour trying to talk her off the ledge. I'm not sure I can do that.
What happened? Tell me what happened.
That's what I'm there to
Yeah.
Okay, so can you go to the family?
Yeah. So you see, you know her personally?
Like I said, I just know her across. She lives across the street. I do not know her personally.
And what happened today?
So I'm walking down the beach, right?
Okay.
And then she's over in this bar, over here.
Okay.
She's waving at me. So I stopped, right? Next thing you know, she starts telling me her life story. I don't know her from shit.
What's her life story?
She was married 31 years. She's divorced. She just got divorced. One of her daughters is, I don't know, one of her daughters is going to go to jail. Her ex-husband's in jail. I don't know if any of this is true, boss.
It doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, so that's, and she kept repeating, my life is very difficult, really hard. I just couldn't leave her alone, so I was like, all right.
It was in here, a patio bar?
Yeah, the patio bar. I was just walking down the beach.
Okay. Can I have your ID, please?
Yeah, I don't have it with me.
Okay, what's your name?
Mike?
Is it Michael?
Yeah.
M-I-C-H-A-E-L? And what's your date of birth?
3.
What's a phone number you can reach at?
64743. No.
Okay.
It's a time.
And when did this happen? About how long ago? Was it just now?
We started at 11. She was already drunk at 11.
11 a.m.?
Yeah, thereabouts. All right. Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yankee 19 can have one white female detained. That Leo at North Ocean Drive and 2nd Street. 7894, please. Sorry. Get me an estimate, please. Stop. You're under arrest. Shut up.
Why?
You committed a felony by kicking me in the nuts. Now shut the up. You're going to jail.
I'll tell you what you're doing, you know what?
You guys know her? Oh, she's walking to us.
Oh, yeah. That's so bad.
Yeah, I saw she keep red. Yeah, 19.
Nothing but the rat. I was the guy.
She decided to kick me in the nuts.
I'll try my life to give you please.
Hang on. We gotta get this backpack off.
Oh, no, there's nothing bad. I'm nothing like that. Forgive me, Lord. I'm Mamaras. I'm Americana. I'm Army. Don't take my things off.
Don't resist me.
Sit up, sweetheart. Sit up.
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. You know what? I think it was... Sorry, over there. I do not. Not me. There's a date. Okay, I'm sorry. What did I do? No, I didn't do nothing bad.
I appreciate it. Will you be able to stand by and give a statement for me? It's up to you. You don't have to. No worries. We got cameras. But I saw, yeah. I appreciate it. It's still out here. It's good. I appreciate you saying that. So, I came up behind her, detained her, said, hey, you're detained. Passed her, hey, and she started rambling, so hey, hold on a second, on my radio. And while I'm doing that, she fucking kicked me straight in the nuts. She misses, I block it, grab her leg, and I dump her.
So this is the felony if you
Yeah.
medical stop at the jail. Okay.
And I had 1 hour
Keep
left.
her over here. Let's just get off the road.
Yeah.
To stop everybody from watching. I'll pull up right over here, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You can start typing. I'll do the phone.
Thanks, you best.
Hello, ma'am. I have to check you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, all right. We just
Can
have
you
to
say
check
something?
you. Okay.
Yeah, can you take the handcuffs on me?
Okay.
Because you know what? It's not fair. It's not fair.
Okay, it's not fair? Okay.
No, what is it?
He's going to take care of you. He's going to take care of you. That's okay.
It's not fair. What are you doing to me like
I have
that?
to check and make sure you don't have anything.
I don't have anything on me.
You have to check.
Please, 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 please,
Hey,
please,
hey.
please.
Come. Yeah, okay, ma'am, you got to stand up. Come, you got to stand up.
Let me just cry. Let me just cry, okay?
Okay,
Let me just cry.
No, you can cry inside
Okay,
the car.
cool.
I
No,
can't
you
have
know,
you
tell whatever I want.
Okay, get up.
Inside. Okay, come here.
What did I do? I didn't do
Let me fix your
bad.
phone.
I'm not drunk. I'm not having
Sit
anything bad.
inside
I'm just
the car.
getting depressed.
You have to sit inside the car, okay? Come on, please. Go inside the car.
I'm going through a lot, okay?
Hey, let me
I know
let
it.
me do that. Let me do that. Hey,
You got it?
Help me, help me,
ma'am,
help me.
okay, please
Help me, help me, help me.
put your foot in.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good.
Oh no, I'm gonna get my lawyer.
All
I'm
right.
gonna sue you.
I have to put your seat belt on,
I'm
okay?
gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you. Why you guys doing? Why you guys doing this? Why you guys doing this?
Okay. You good now? Just have a seat, okay?
Okay.
And you know what? You're gonna go to hell.
Okay. If you break it, we're just going to charge you with that
Okay,
too.
charge me with
okay?
that. Charge me,
We'll
okay?
just, we'll just add it. It's
Yeah,
good.
but
You want this? No, just go back. Give me.
one down, yeah, give it to me. Give it to me, motherfucker. Not the fucking dick. Okay, do it to me, motherfucker. Not the fucking dick. You know what?
You're also being recorded doing this, so you're being
You know what?
recorded doing
You know what? You know what? That is fucking. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break it. Okay. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Motherfucker. Hacer algo. You hear me?
Typing.
Please, 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 officer, please,
ma'am?
officer, can I tell something?
Yeah, go ahead.
They're very telling me, can you please loosen up a little bit?
No.
Please,
No.
please, please,
Absolutely not.
please.
No.
I promise you I won't do anything bad. I
So,
promise
well,
you.
you've already done a couple things bad. Just so you know, you're being recorded. Everything you're doing is being recorded right now, okay?
Officer, you know what he did to me?
You understand everything's being recorded,
You know what he
right?
did to me?
Okay.
You respect me, okay?
Okay.
He hurts really bad. Officer! Officer! Hey, officer! Officer, please! Officer! So now I'm gonna charge you? I'm gonna charge you now? Officer?
Yes, ma'am?
And can you call like my best friend?
No, you can't call anybody until you get down to the jail.
Confianza y lo voy a salir. Voy a salir, marica.